Rebound ng dalawang two big men and the first possession from the team Maliw. And a steal by Hipolito. Number 8, Hipolito. Threading the offense. And it's good. Number 6, Hipolito. And it's number 17, pulls. One go. Rebound by number 88, out of bounds. And it's Jeff Gonzalez. Number 6, Jordan Hipolito to Gonzalez. Dreading the defense. Walang bola. Single possession. Hipolito. Press over. It was a steal to Gonzalez. Libre si number 85 and a score and one basketball by number 88. 85, sorry. 89, Legaspi. Bonus shot, one goal. Rebound by number 30. Number 13, number 88. Number 88, drop pass number 20. Aladano pulls the three. Overshoots. Rebound by Jeff Gonzalez, number 10. Number 10, dreading the defense. Finds number 3. Step back 3. Short. Tira. Number 17. Drop pass. Yes, steal by the team. Ostente. Hipolito number 6. Fakes. And it's good. Traveling violation. Ito na si number 10, Gonzalez. And rebound by number 24. To number 8, long pass. Ayan. Umalisin ang mga bata. Matatamaan kayo ng bola. Mga bata. Number 10, to Jordan. To Jeff Gonzalez, number 10. Throws over in the paint to number 3. Pulls the 3. Short. Aladano, number 20. Number 20 penetrates. Walang bola. Rebound by number. Drop pass, number 88. Fakes in the paint. Forcing the offense. And a foul. Offensive. By number 88. First personal. And number 10. Number 10 to number 8. Number 8 to number 10. Hesitates. Jeff. Sidestep. Rebound. And there's a foul. There's foul rep. Number 20. First personal foul, number 20. Number 30 to number 20. Out of bounds. Substitution. Walang kapalitan ng palitan na player sa Brown. Ang score natin 6-0. Hindi pa nakakapul ng puntos ang Team Maliw. This is Hipolito forcing the offense. One go. Rebound by number 89. Puts it in. Number 18 pulls. Airball. Jeff Gonzalez. Libre na yan. Pinoy step and it's good. Number 8 to number 4. Number 11 step back, finds number 4 in the paint, forcing the offense. Won't go. Rebound by number 8 Hipolito. Hipolito crossing the midcourt, behind the back pass to number 1 go. This is number 26, flies, short, overshoots, rebound by number.
Dapat silang score.
Number 89, overshoots, rebound by number 10, number 4. Yan kasi number 4, nagmamadali. Number 4 steal. And it's good by number 4. Unang puntos ng Team Maliw. And it's Stanton. Number 6, Hipolito setting up the play. Hipolito still threading the defense, and it's good. This is Gonzalez, the number 4. Number 4, step back, won't go, rebound by number 16. Great pass, 10 to shoot. Number 8 to number 11, pulls, overshoots, rebound by number 89. Number 89, from Hipolito. Number 6, Jeff, number 10, perimeter shot, puts it in.
Mukhang matatalo pa nila yung ano.
Ang ating score, 14-2. Number 18, pulls, airball. 1 minute and 32 seconds. As is Jeff Gonzalez. Setting up the play to Hipolito, number 6. To number 14, pulls the 3. Puts it in. 3 points. That is number 4. Setting up the play, finds number 26 to number 8. Number 8. Binalik na number 26, perimeter shot, puts it in. Stanton, number 10, number 6. Gonzalez fakes, penetrates, back to number 14, pulls the 3, pasok na naman yan. 3 points. Francisco. Ayun na si number 4, forcing the defense. And it's goal by number 26.
26.
Gonzalez, pasok na niya kay Gonzalez. Ang ating score, 22-6. Number 10 is fouled. First personal foul, Gonzalez. Not counted. Shot clock violation. And that is the first quarter of this game. We are now the second quarter. Ang ating score ay 22-6 in favor of Boss 10-10. start the game. Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter of this game. It's 10-10 to number 6, Hippolito. Number 6, Hippolito. Pulls, baseline shot. Won't go. Na-rebound na yan ni number 17. Number 17, Tito. Wala. Nakuha ni number 14. Lumipad na, and it's good by number 14, Francisco. Number 88. Nasa ka number 51. Number 51 to number 17. 2 is the 3. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan ni Jordan Hippolito. Hippolito still spins. Nawala ang bola. Ano ka ni number 17? Number 17 finds number 88. And it's good. Number 89 to number 10, Gonzalez, looking for an open man, finds Hippolito, fakes, traveling violation. And it's number 17, floater shot, Rondo, rebound by the team, Boston, and Hippolito, threading the defense. Recovered, and it's good. And it's number 10. Nagkaya lang mo sa number 10. Naghanap ng mabasahan. Gonzalez. Inara si number 29. Pinasa kay number 14. Number 14. Pass number 89. To number 3. Tumira ng 3. 3 points. Number 3. Ang ating score, 29-8. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 6 is foul. First personal foul. Number 6. Baseline shot. Alatano. Forcing the offense. Rebound pa rin ni Alatano yan. Drop pass. And it's good by number 51. And the floor. Offensive foul by Jeff Gonzalez. As number 88, number 88, threading the defense. Malakas ang tira. Rebound pa rin na number 88. Number 88 to number 20. Alatano. Pinasa kay number 17. And it's good. Number 17. 29-12 ang ating score. Jeff, tumira ng dress, wala yan. Na-rebound ni number 17. Number 17, nagmamadali. Ang ganda ng isolation, pero hindi pumasok ang tira. Number 6, hesitates, and it's good.
Laton, wala pa rin.
Laton tayo, wala pa rin kamalitan ng pink. Laton substitution. Meron pa kayong tig-lilamang time, oh. Ay, tig-tatlo. Bawat team. Number 24. Isolate, short ang tira. Rebounding Hippolito. Number 6, behind the back pass. Number 14, fakes at the baseline, forcing the offense. Number 30, Wala yan. Na-rebound ni number 89. Number 89 still. Naghanap ng mamasahan. Fakes. Jordan Hipolito. To number 89. 4-meter shot. Short. Rebound by the team Maliw. Team Maliw number 18. Number 18. Pinasa kay. And wala pa rin yan. And it's good by number. Boston 10. Score natin 31-40.
Hindi, dalawa pa. Hindi, isang time out na lang. Hindi, ngayong first din nila ginamit yung first quarter.
Kalahati.
Okay, back to the ball game. Team Boston 10 are ahead by 16 points. Is it number 40?
12 nga eh, 12.
And is it number 10? Jordan Hipolito forcing and a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 30 is foul. First personal foul, number 30. And the first one is good. Second one is still good. 33-40. Tira ni number 18. Number 6, Hipolito. Hipolito, hinara si number 18. Hipolito still. Number 10, Jeff. Fakes. Umira ng 3, won't go. Rebound niya ni number 26, nagmamadali. Lipat na. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 13. And there's a foul committed by number 6. Hipolito, second personal foul. Number 30 will be in the line for his bonus. Airball. Ay mga bata, huwag niyong paglaruan yan. Second one is good.
Martes ulit. Dapat na game yata yun eh. Kasi may civilian game.
Gonzalez, the number 40. Penetrates, rejected. Well defended basketball. Then is steal by number 10, Gonzalez. The number 40. The number 8, Hipolito, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 14 yan. Ipinasa, nawala ang bola. Balik ang possession sa team, Boston 10. Boston 10. Nagana mga masahan, si number 6, Hipolito. Almost losing the ball, recovered. May Hipolito, perimeter shot, overshoots. Rebound by number 30. Number 13 to number 18. Number 18 penetrates and it's good. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Gonzalez. Tumira ng 3 ang kampi, wala yan. Nariwang ulit na Team Maliw. Alam si number 30. Number 30, Sainata. To number 18. Pass 2. Wala yan. Na-rebound ni Hipolito Gonzalez, and one basketball by Gonzalez. Number 26 is fouled. First personal foul, number 26. 1 minute, 6 seconds left na lang. Number 10. Walang tira. Number 11 to number 18. And it's good by number 18.
Time out ba?
Time out. Ang team. Ostente. Ang ating score ay 35-19. Lamang ang Ostente. Number 10, Gonzalez, back to Gonzalez, Hipolito to Gonzalez, number 40 to Hipolito, natapig yung bola, kinalik kay Gonzalez,
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot, forcing, lakas ang tira, number 24 rebound, number 24 steal, number 24 hinaharas ni Hipolito, pinasa kay number 30,
Seconds.
penetrates, short, long pass to number 89. Libre na yan. Puts it in.
10 seconds. 9.
10 seconds to shoot. Buzzer na lang maririnig. At na-steal pa yan. Yes! Muntikan na. Ang ating score, 37-19.
Nag-entam din nilang 5. 5 lang sila.
We're now in the third quarter of this game.
Pinaglaban mo ba naman ng pareho-tero?
Hindi, kailangan kasi.
Okay lang yun.
Sila pang mananalo.
Buzzer mo na.
Game na tayo.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Number 20. Number 20 setting up the play. Number 17 penetrates. Wala yan. Rebound ng number 14. Number 14, naghahanap ng mabasahan si number 40. To number 10, Gonzalez, Hipolito, pulls the 3. Rondo, rebound ni number 89. Fakes, nakuha ng team Maliw. And a steal by Jeff Gonzalez to Hipolito. Sablay tira. Ni number 26. Fakes. Number 17, and it's good. And nag-hustle na. Gonzalez looking for his teammates. Finds number 14, Francisco. Nawala ang bola. Kicking. Bola ng Maliw. Score natin, 37-21. Narang magpapasahan. si number 51. Number 51 to number 20. Drop pass. Number 17. Pulls. Wala yan. Number 14. Long pass. Hipolito threading the defense. Well defended basketball by the Team Malo. Number 10. Penetrates. Nawalang bola. Out of bounds. Possession ng Team Boston. Yan si Jeff Gonzalez. Jeff Gonzalez. Delfino, number 3. Delfino, nakakapasahan. Kita si number 8, Hipolito. Hipolito. Hipolito steal. Pass to, yan is steal. Good yan, good. Tuloy lang. Number 17, the number. Short. By number 51. Number 51 still umikot. And it's good by number 51. 23, 37. And number 40. Bago na babasahan. Number 10. Gonzalez. Gonzalez penetrates. And there's an offensive foul by number 4. Foul number 4. Blocking foul. Unang tira, sablay. Pangalawang tira, wala yan. Na-rebound ni number. Walang bola. Number 14. To number 89, in the paint. Back to number 14. Pulls the 3. Hindi pumasok. Umira si number 17 pero wala. Thinking violation. Number 89 inbounded ball. Number 10, number 6, Hipolito. Nice ilan si Hipolito. Ayun na si number 18, Lies, won't go. Nakuha yan ni Hipolito, number 6. Number 6, pass 2. Number 4, kalaban yan. To number 17, sidestep, puts it in. 87-25. Na unti-unti na ang mga boss 10-10. Ayan na si
Malap na sila.
ayan na si number 4. Nagmamadali si number 4. Nawala ang bola. Steal by number 14. Number 14. Lumipad na and it's good. Ang ating score ay 39-25 in favor of Boston. Alright, back to the ball game now. We are still in the third quarter of this game. 2 minutes 47 remaining. And this time is brought to you by Fridays. Ayan na si Iro De La Cruz, number 5. Pumasok na. De La Cruz fakes the shot. Rebound ni number 14. And one basketball by number 14. Number 14 is fouled. Number 24 in the line for his bonus. Won't go. Rebound number 89. Number 89. Naipit si number 3. Ibinasa kay Jeff Gonzalez. Binasa kay number 14. Fakes. Baseline shot. Puts it in. Number 30. Forcing the offense. One goal. Libre na si Hipolito. Number 6. Scores the shot. Puts it in.
Di ba lang sila yun ah.
Ang ating score, 43-27. And there's a foul committed by number 3. Delfino, first personal foul. Jersey number 14. And there's a foul committed by number 24. Black foul. And I see number 10. Number 3 pulls. One goal. Rebound by number 8. Inara si number 30, forcing the offense. Wala, na-rebound na yan. No? Team Maliw, nagmamadali. Inasa ka number 30, libre na yan. Puts it in, number 30. De La Cruz, pulls the 3. Number 25. Number 26 is foul.
Pumasok ba yung tira na yung De La Cruz?
Our score is 43-32. Number 63, personal foul. Number 10 is good. Number 5. Floater shot ni De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound by number 89.
Tatlo yung isa.
Wala yan.
Yung number 6.
Number 5, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, number 18. Wala yan. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. And there's out of bounds. Number 6 pulls the 3, puts it in. 3 points. Time remaining 15 seconds in this third quarter. That's number 24. Threading the defense, and it's good. That ends the third quarter. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Our score is 47-34. Is still in favor of Boston 10. Back to the ball game.
Yeah, yun.
All right, back to the ball game. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Elimination games between Malayu and Boston. 5 against 12. Lamang ang may alam. Let's see. Number 6. The number 6. Number 10 to number 6. Number 6 still. Nawala ang bola kay number 6. Nakuha yan ni number 17. Lumipat na si number 6. Wala pa rin yan. Kuha ulit si number 17. Pinasakay, De La Cruz, fakes. Floater shot, De La Cruz. One go, recover. De La Cruz still number 5.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Tumira ng press. Short. Rebound number 14. Libre si number 89. And it's good by number 89. Ang ating score 49-34. Floater shot ni De La Cruz. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 14. Yung pinasakay. Jeff Gonzalez overshoots. Alatano, number 20. Alatano. And there's a foul committed by number 6, Ford. Personal foul. Yari. Apat.
Shoot.
Pumasok siya no? Kanino?
Slim.
Number 18?
24.
Isang free throw.
Delfino to number 6. Hipolito. Ready the defense. In and out ang bola. Nakuha yan ng team. Ready. Tumira. Short. Recovered. Number 17. Puts it in. Number 17. Score natin 49-37. Number 14. Number 6, pulls. Overshoots. Rebound by Team Malio. Yan na si De La Cruz. Hindi kaya Delatano. Libre si number. Short pa rin yan. Recovered by number 88. Drop pass. Out of bounds. Same ball possession tayo. Time out. Sige. Pag dead ball, pwede mong time out. Floater shot, and it's good. Score natin, 49-39. 10 ang kalamlangan. 6 minutes and 41.
Kilala ka ba? Ay, si ano kasi nag-absent eh. Baka umakatid sa ibang liga. Ang announcer natin. Ito yung search din yun. Nahanap tayo ng ibang ano.
And it's number 6. The number 3, Delfino, pulls the 3, and it's good. 3 points, Delfino. Traveling violation. 6 minutes. Subdivision. Jeff Gonzalez, nag-uubos na ng oras. Hipolito, number 6. Number 3, Delfino still. Naghanap na babasahan. Same ball possession.
7 shot clock,
7 seconds shot clock. Jeff Gonzalez. Jeff draining the defense. Wala yan. Rebound na yan eh. De La Cruz, tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound ni number 30. Malakas ang tira. Ay, number 14. Walang bola. 4 minutes remaining. And si Alagano is still by Jordan Hipolito. Hipolito. Wala. Rebound ni Jeff. Napakalakas. Jeff Gonzalez. And Jeff is burning the time. So number 89. Pinasa kay number 14. Pasok yan. Number 14. Rebound. Score 55-39. Recovered by number 26, wala pa rin. Number 13, and a foul by number 3. Number 3, second personal foul. Substitution. Pasok kayo doon. Number 30 is good. Second one is good. May isang timeout na lang ba sila? Both teams meron pa kayong isang timeout. That is number 40. To Jordan. To Gonzalez. Gonzalez still. Jordan. Jordan. 5 seconds to shoot. Forcing the offense na walang bola. Number 5. Libre na yan. Puts it in. Number 17. Five seconds. And there's a foul. Committed by number 26. Tig-isang timeout pa kayo ha. Tig-isang timeout. Both teams. Second personal foul. Number 26. Number 3, tumira ng 3, wala yan. 3 minutes na lang tayo. Number 3 is foul. Third personal foul, number 3. Number 17, he is good. Second free throw, short. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 with Jeff Gonzalez, number 10. Pass number 89. Number 89, nakakamig yung bola. Nakuha pa rin ni Jordan. Hipolito. Hipolito, 6 to shoot. Side step. Ulit ni Jordan. And there's a foul committed by number 24. Number 24, second personal foul. Hipolito will be in the line. Bonus is good. 56-44 in this 2 minutes. Second one is good. Tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by number 30, wala.
Wala kasi yung isa nilang point guard. Yung best player last time.
Number 6 is foul.
Si ano?
Ay, hindi. Sorry.
Dito. Asawa ni Buntis.
Number 5, De La Cruz. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng Boston 10. 1 minute 58 seconds. Ini si Jeff. Jeff threading the defense and it's good.
Nananalo pa sila.
Number 5. De La Cruz, number 5. On go, rebound by number 40. Number 40, tumira ng 3. Wala.
Pag dead ball, idol. Pwede kayo mag-time out. Pag dead ball.
This is number 17. Number 17. And it's good. Time out.
Pwede, hindi pwede sila nakashoot.
Hindi pwede. Wala pang time out. Kayo nakashoot. Sino nakashoot? Number 26. Ayan na si Jeff. Inuubos ang oras. 10 seconds to shoot. Walang oras. Single possession. Time out. Time out, Malio. Wala nang time out. Team Malio. Meron pang isa sa box content. $59-46.
Sila kayo panalo.
We only have remaining 55 seconds. 8 seconds shot clock tayo. Meron pa kayo isa. Meron pang isang timeout ang Team Boston 10. Wala na sa Team Malio. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
5.
Floater shot. And it's good by number 14. This is number 30. Pinasa ka number 17. Umikot. Pasok yan, number 17. Long pass, 2. Hipo ulit to, number 6. Hipo ulit to. And a steal by number 5. De La Cruz, tumira ng 3. Short ang tira. Pinasa sa kampe. Umikot. Short. Rebound pa rin ng number 17. And it's good. Timeout Boston 10. Wala na tayong timeout, both teams. Time remaining 20 seconds. Score 61-50. Lamang ng 11.
Wala na yan. Ubusan na nila. Isang possession nila yun, 24 seconds.
Hindi mo masigurado kung makakagaling.
Okay, back to the ball game. We only have 20 seconds left in this last quarter.
Wala na yan. Tulog nyo na yan.
Twenty seconds left. Tira ng 3. Short. Rebound by number 5. Long pass. 2. Rohani. Jeff Gonzalez. Number 3. Tumira ng 3. Pasok pa rin yan kay number 3. Ang ating score.
Pumasok yun.
63. 63 yan, Edo. 63 score. 63-50 ang ating score. In favor of Boss 10-10. Our best player for tonight.
Ito, third na ba, fourth na ba yun?